Good morning, dear students. Today, by few stories, we are going to see how gender inequality is there in the society, children. Here in the picture, you can see how the girl is working with the mother and the boy is going to school. So, mother is saying, "Hurry up, Meenu. We have to clean 3 more houses today." What's the use of that? You don't need a school to teach you how to clean. But if your brother studies and get a good job, he can help us. So mother is telling to the daughter, so no need to study. If your brother will study, he can help us. And then the girl is replying, but ma, I want to go to school like brother goes. I want to make new friends and learn new things. So in the story you have seen how the girl child is not sent to school. Then here see gender in society, how people treat. Okay, discrimination happens in school every day all over the world, and it has a negative impact on the development of children. You have got the least marks. Your punishment is to sit next to the girl. So the sir is saying you have got less marks, so you will sit near the girl. And this boy is thinking, oh, what a shame. Now all my friends will make fun of me. And this girl is thinking, why it is a punishment to sit with girls? So how people gender is treated, okay? Discrimination is happening in the school also, children. Then here, now father is telling to the daughter, okay, gender discrimination mostly starts from home. Why does it take you so long to get me a glass of water? It's a simple job. Why must I do only simple things, and why don't you ask brother? I was doing my homework and he is just watching TV. So this girl is telling father to ask the brother to give the water because she is doing her homework. You are a girl, so you must learn to help the men of the house. So father is telling that you are a girl and you should help in the house work. So here again we see gender discrimination. Then here this lady is saying, the children need to be vaccinated and the water pipeline is broken. Can you help please? I am not feeling very well. So the husband is replying, I am going out with some friends. One of them has won the election, so we have to celebrate. So wife is asking for some help and husband is saying that he has to go to party. How is a party more important than helping the family? The wife is asking. Then the husband is replying, how dare you say that? I earn money and pay all the bills. So do your work. So he's saying to do your work. It is your responsibility and your work, he is telling the wife. Now here again, see the girl is helping the mother and boy is playing. Sumita, please help me arrange these vessels and then get the clothes from the washing machine. Why can't I go out and play with them? So the little sister is crying and mother is asking to help, and she's crying that she wants to go and play with them. So here says people at all level of society, upper caste or lower caste, rich or poor, set different roles for boys and girls. So in every society you will see that girls are they are asked to help in the kitchen, the household work, whether they are poor or rich or they belong to any caste or religion. Why is your sister crying? So this brother's friend is asking. She does that every time mom asks her to do some work. So the brother is explaining to his friend that whenever mummy is telling to do some work, she is crying. So here see some few friends are watching TV. Almost all over the world the job of cleaning and cooking is given to women. Rita, where are you? Get us some food. So her husband is calling the wife to get some food for him and his friends. This match is so interesting. Won't it be more fun with some hot food? So they are watching the match, and the husband is asking the wife to get some food for them. Now here is the ladies hostel. Timings: all ladies living here must return before 8 pm. We talk about freedom and equality for all, but uh, we are biased in understanding these concepts. So we say freedom and equality for all, but we are asking the ladies to come before 8 pm. Okay, and we can see example of these unhealthy attitudes everywhere, from educational institute to offices. Everywhere this thing is happening, inequality on female. Here one more incidence is there. Gender bias and discrimination also happen in little ways that we mostly ignore in our everyday lives. Mr. Driver, you should have stopped at a place where there were some clean toilets for ladies. So this they are traveling by bus, and this driver has stopped on the way, and this lady is asking that they should have stopped where there is a clean toilet for ladies also. The driver is replying, but this is where we always stop, and no woman has ever complained about it. So he's saying that no woman has complained, only you are the one. Just use the toilet at the next stop. So he's asking, now he won't stop, then whenever he stop in the next stop, she can use the toilet.